Oh, listen me now. Under the island moon, where the ocean whispers love, I wasn't searching for love, but love found me when I found you. Beneath the moonlight by the sea, you came and brought a change to me. Like the waves that touch the shore, my heart had been waiting for. The night was calm, the stars were bright, your smile was glowing in the light. Every moment felt so true, like the sky was made for me and you. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love was floating through the trees. Every heartbeat softly knew my forever started with you. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every dream, every sign led your heart straight to mine. Love found me beneath the island moonlight, like a beautiful dream coming true. With the ocean singing our song, I knew right where I belong. Love found me beneath the island moon, and my heart started dancing too. Every star shining above was a witness to our love. Oh, baby, you are my island blessing. Walking barefoot by the shore, I keep loving you more and more. The sound of waves, the midnight sky, reminds me why you caught my eye. Your gentle touch brings me peace, like a tropical summer breeze. In your arms I found my place, a home filled with love and grace. I don't need treasures from afar, you are my brightest shining star. The greatest gift I ever knew was the love I found in you. Hold me closer, stay with me, forever is where we should be. Through every season, through every tide, I want you always by my side. Love found me beneath the island moonlight, like a beautiful dream coming true. With the ocean singing our song, I knew right where I belong. Love found me beneath the island moon, and my heart started dancing too. Every star shining above was a witness to our love. Listen now. Some people search their whole life through for a love that feels so true, but Jah had a special plan when He placed your heart in my hands. Your laughter is my sweetest sound, the kind of love that can't be found. Every sunrise, every night, you make my whole world feel right. Like flowers growing in the sun, our beautiful journey has begun. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is moving through the trees. Moonlight shining, shining ocean wide. Forever with you, by my side. Two hearts, one dream, one love flowing like a stream. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the moon, singing our forever tune. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever Sometimes love is not searched for. Sometimes love arrives like the moonlight on the ocean, quietly, beautifully, and forever. Listen, you know, in a world full of storms, I found a place where my heart can rest, a place where the waves are calm. And that place is your love. Before you came into my life, we were searching through the night, looking for a place to breathe, looking for a heart that believed. Then you came like ocean rain, washing away my hidden pain. Like the sunrise on the sea, you brought a new peace to me. Every smile you give my way makes a brighter, better day. Every touch and every kiss shows me what true comfort is. Like the waves that gently flow, your love gives my soul a home. In your arms I finally see the peace that was waiting for me. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this blessing called love. Every heartbeat, every tide says your love is my guide. Your love is my ocean of peace, where all my worries find release. Like the waves beneath the sky, you bring calm into my life. Your love is my ocean of peace, a beautiful love that never leaves. Every sunrise, every night, you are my shelter and my light. Oh baby, you are my paradise. Walking with you by the shore, we don't need anything more. Palm trees moving with the breeze, love is dancing through the trees. When you hold me close and near, all my fears disappear. Every whisper from your heart makes a brand new beginning start. I don't need diamonds or gold, your love is the treasure I hold. 'Cause the richest heart can be the one that brings true peace to me. Stay beside me, hold my hand, together we will always stand. Through every storm, through every rain, your love will heal my heart again. Your love is my ocean of peace, where all my worries find release. Like the waves beneath the sky, you bring calm into my life. Your love is my ocean of peace, a beautiful love that never leaves. Every sunrise, every night, you are my shelter and my light. Listen, me know, some people search across the land for a love they can understand, but Jah bless me with a heart that was waiting from the start. Your love flows like the ocean blue, pure and deep and always true. Every moment spent with you feels like a dream coming through. Like a flower reaching the sun, our beautiful love has begun. Every season, every year, I will always keep you near. Feel the rhythm, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is floating through the seas. Heart to heart, soul to soul. Your sweet love has made me yours. No storm, no way could take away the peace your love brings every day. When the years have passed us by, I still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars. remembering how blessed we are. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever faithful, forever true, my ocean of peace will always be you. Your love is my ocean of peace, a love that brings my heart release. Through the sunshine and the rain, I will choose you. Once again, your love is my ocean of peace, a love that grows eternally through every season, every year. My heart will always keep you near, forever, forever. My calm, my poem, my ocean of peace is you. Yeah. Some people find peace in places, some people find peace in moments, but I found my peace in your love. Yeah. Listen me now. When the rhythm starts to play, when the ocean breeze begins to flow, there is only one place where my heart wants to be, dancing forever inside your love. Underneath the island sun, our beautiful journey has begun. With your hand holding mine, everything feels so divine. Palm trees moving with the breeze, love is floating through the trees. Every smile upon your face takes my heart to a special place. Like the waves that touch the shore, we keep loving you more and more. Every moment, every day, your love takes my breath away. When the music fills the night and the stars are shining bright, I can feel my heart believe this love was meant for me. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this island kind of love. Every heartbeat, every song, with you is where I belong. Dancing forever in your island love, like a blessing sent from above. With the ocean and the sky, we will never say goodbye. Dancing forever in your island love, where my heart is found in love. Every rhythm, every beat feels like paradise beneath my feet. Oh baby, keep dancing with me forever. Walking barefoot by the sea, your love feels like home to me. Golden sunsets paint the sky while I see the love inside your eyes. Every whisper, every kiss feels like a moment of pure bliss. Your gentle heart, your loving way makes me grateful every day. I don't need a perfect place, I found paradise in your embrace. 'Cause wherever you are near is where my heart wants to be here. Hold me closer, don't let go, let this island rhythm flow. Through the sunshine, through the rain, our love will always remain. Dancing forever in your island love, for a love they haven't found. But Jah knew what my heart needed most when He brought me to your coast. Your laughter is my sweetest melody. Your love is my harmony, like flowers blooming in the sun. Our forever has begun. Every sunrise tells our story. Every sunset shines with glory. No distance and no tide could ever pull us from this side. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is moving through the trees. Two hearts beating, one sweet sound. Forever love is what we found. Dance with me under the moon. Sing our love, our island tune. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, remembering how blessed we are. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Through every season we go through, my heart keeps dancing with you. Forever faithful, forever free, forever free. Your island love is all I need. Dancing forever in your island love, a feeling I will always trust. Like the ocean meets the sand, I found forever in your hand. Dancing forever in your island love, a treasure from the skies above. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever dancing, forever loving, forever you and me. Some rhythms fade away, but true love keeps dancing forever. And my heart will always dance with you. Mm. 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 Yeah. Listen to know, some places are beautiful, some moments are unforgettable, but nothing feels better than finding a heart where you truly belong. Before you came into my life, we was walking through the nights, searching for a place to stay, searching for a love to lead the way. Then you came like morning sun and showed me love had just begun. With your smile and gentle care, we found comfort waiting there. Every word you softly say takes my worries far away. Every touch and every embrace feels like home in a special place. Like the ocean meets the sand, I found peace inside your hand. Every heartbeat tells me true, my heart belongs with you. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every road, every sign, led your heart straight to mine. The way your heart feels like home makes me never feel alone. Like a shelter from the rain, you take away my pain. The way your heart feels like home is the sweetest place I've known. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, I found my home in you. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. When you hold me close and near, all my doubts just disappear. Every moment spent with you feels like a dream coming true. I don't need diamonds a heart that was waiting from the start. Your laughter is my favorite song. In your arms is where I belong. Every dream and every prayer found its answer standing there. Like a flower beneath the sun, our forever has begun. No distance and no time could ever change this love of mine. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is growing through the trees. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. No storm, no rain could take away the home I found in your embrace. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever faithful, forever true, my favorite place will always be you. The way your heart feels like home means I'll never walk alone. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose you again and again. The way your heart feels like home is the greatest love I've known. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, my heart found a place called you. Yeah. Some people find a house, some people find a place, but the lucky ones find a heart that feels like home. Listen and know, some stories are written in books, some memories are written in the heart, but our love was written in the colors of the sunset. I remember the evening when we met, a moment we could never forget. Golden skies above the sea, you were standing right there with me. The sun was falling, the waves were low, a gentle breeze began to blow, and in that moment I could see a beautiful future for you and me. Your smile was shining like the light, turning everything so bright. Every heart beat softly knew this was something pure and true. Oh, Jah, we give thanks above for blessing me with love. Every color, every line showed your heart was meant for mine. Our love was written in the sunset, a story my heart won't forget. Like the colors across the sky, our love will never fade or die. Our love was written in the sunset, a promise that we won't regret. Through every season, every year, I will always keep you near. Oh baby, I'll forever start it there. Walking with you beside the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Every whisper beneath the sky, every sparkle inside your eyes feels like a painting made by a Jah. A love more beautiful than ever was. I don't need treasures from afar, you are my brightest shining star. The greatest gift I ever knew was the love search their whole life through for a love that feels so true. But Jah answered every prayer the day He placed you here, like flowers blooming after rain. Your love removed my deepest pain. Every moment that we share shows me how much you really care. When the moon appears at night and the stars begin to shine bright, I remember that sunset glow where our forever began to grow. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is dancing through the trees. Golden skies, ocean blue. A perfect moment, me and you. No distance, no time could ever change the love written in our hearts. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever blessed, with you beside me. I have the best. Our love was written in the sunset, a memory my heart won't forget. Like the colors across the sky, our love will forever shine. Our love was written in the sunset, a love that time cannot erase. Through every season, every year, I will always keep you near. Forever, forever, our story remains written in love. Some sunsets disappear, but some moments stay forever. And our love will always shine like the sunset where it all began. Listen, me know some people search the world looking for a place where they belong, but me found something better. A feeling, a love, a place beside you. Yeah. Before you came into my life, me was walking through the nights, looking for a heart so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. With your smile and gentle way, you brought sunshine to my day. Every moment close to you feels like a dream coming true. Every heartbeat softly says this love will never fade away. Like the ocean meets the shore, we keep loving you more and more. 'Cause the sweetest thing I know is the love you always show. Oh Jah, we give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every road, every sign led your heart straight to mine. The sweetest place is beside you, where my heart feels brand new. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away every pain. The sweetest place is beside you, where every dream comes true. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh baby, I don't need anywhere else. Walking with you by the sea feels like we're meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, Love is flowing through the trees when you hold me close and near. All my worries disappear. Every whisper from your heart makes a beautiful new start. I don't need diamonds or gold. Your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is having your love around. Every laugh and every smile makes my life so worthwhile. Every little thing you do makes me fall in love with you. Stay beside me, hold my hand. Together we will always stand. Through every season, through every tide, I want you forever by my side. Oh, sweetest place is beside you. Oh yeah, where my heart feels brand new. Like the sunshine after rain, you wash away every pain. The sweetest place is beside you. Where every dream comes true. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen, you know, some people chase the stars above, searching for a perfect love, but God blessed me from the start when He connected our hearts. Your laughter is my favorite song. In your arms is where I belong. Like a flower reaching the sun, our forever has begun. Every sunset paints the sky with the beauty of you and I. Every moon that shines above tells a story of our love. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is dancing through the trees. Oh, heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. No place, no view could ever compare to the love I find with you. Oh. When the years have passed us by, I still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever blessed. With you beside me, I have the best. The sweetest place is beside you. Forever my heart belongs to you. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose you again and again. The sweetest place is beside you. The greatest love I ever knew. Through every season, every year, I will always keep you near. Forever, forever, my favorite place will always be beside you. Yeah. Some places are beautiful, some moments are unforgettable, but the sweetest place my heart has ever known is right beside you.